Sprinkle of fire on the star.
You're really gonna blow us up.
Come blow it out?
Can I blow it out?
Anybody?
No. No, not in here. Please.
Yes. I'll
Wait a minute.
Throw it.
Not in my car though.
You'll sweep
Wait
up?
a minute.
I'll sweep it
It's aluminum. Whatever this is.
There's more.
Wait a minute. Dude, blow out your candle already.
See, right, there's some in your shirt here.
Yeah. Yeah, just get it down there.
That's because I love you, Brent.
I know. Fail.
Candle slacker.
You can't blow out the candle.
You fail at candle blowing.
I can't help it. Can I put it out on your car?
Hey, Mommy, can I just blow it out?
Go for it, please.
I'll just blow it out for you.
You gonna do it?
Man,
Hey, Christine, blow it out.
it's not gonna go.
Yeah, well.
What's wrong?
Is that what you wouldn't do?
Yeah, blow it hard enough.
Yeah, let's just throw a lot of slime on.
Okay.